Hello and welcome to the sneak peek walkthrough of the Strategy Vault Pass. So if you have been wanting to know what you get when you sign up for SVP, I'm going to show you what is inside. The first thing you're going to see when you jump in is a lot of activity around the community space. Now, the community space is open to everyone, so I'm going to show that to you in a moment. And then I'm going to show you exactly what's inside the private gated Strategy Vault Pass, which is just for those of you who sign up for it. So when you join ALA, you will see that there are multiple areas. To the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see that there are different spaces, and depending on what you come in for, you'll have access to. Everyone, regardless of whether you're coming in via the Strategy Vault Pass, whether you're coming in for one of the different coaching programs or membership, you will have access to the ALA community space. So you'll be able to network with all the other creators that are there inside the Academy community space. So when you head into the Strategy Vault Pass, you'll see a space that says get started. And there is a welcome post there. There's a little bit of a blurb about how to get started. So definitely make sure that you go and check that out. Here are your Strategy Vault Pass weekly prompts. Everything is under a different phase. And under each of them, there will be a weekly prompt related to the focus area for the week for that phase. Then you will go to the exciting part, which is swipe files and premium resources. When you click through, you will see all of the different premium resources that are there. And you'll also see that when you click through to them, there will be a prompt on there for you, but there will also be the different resources there. Now, I'm not going to click on them because you have to sign up to see, but there is something for every single phase. There is leading as authority with live video, story starters, and your live video toolkit. But the 4 phased areas are there, and it says phase 1 to 4 on them. And equally, you have to go alongside this, your video trainings. And then obviously, once you click into them, you will see that there is an actual video and there are steps for you to actually follow. So that's what you get inside the Strategy Vault Pass. You get the community, you get all of these resources, you get to come to all of the community announcements, everything that is upcoming, you'll be able to see in the community announcements thread here. You have full access to the community. When you are actually in ALA, you can add yourself to the ALA directory as well. It's pretty exciting, guys, really, isn't it? So that's what you will get. That's your sneak peek of the Strategy Vault Pass. Sign up, take up the introductory offer. The price will be going up. The next thing is to ask yourself the question, what's stopping you? If you've got a question, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will see you inside the ALA community. Take care. Bye.